What's your approach to building confidence in course participants?
Confidence is not something I give to participants. It's something that I help them unlock. Through testing their abilities in my sessions, learning new skills, I create a safe and supportive environment they can learn new skills without fear of judgment. At the same time, I shift their mindset in my sessions from I don't know how to do this to I believe in my own abilities. I believe that I confidently present and I show new ideas in the workplace. From questioning to truly believe themselves through all the interactive training. It's where I create the magic so they start to feel confident themselves.